Students, see page number 35. I am reading our remaining paragraph. In 1859, the Indigo Riots felt that they had the support of the local zamindars and village headmen in their rebellion against the planters, cultivators, peasants, farmers. They felt that they had support of zamindars as well as headmen. Why? Because of in many villages headmen who had been forced to sign indigo contracts, because they were forced to sign indigo contracts forcefully. So many headmen and zamindars started to mobilize the indigo peasants and encourage to fight pitched battles. Pitched battle means face to face fighting with the lathials. In other places, even the zamindars went around villages urging the riots to resist the planters. In so many villages, zamindars, they encouraged peasants, cultivators to oppose the planters. These zamindars were unhappy with the increasing power of the planters and angry at being forced by the planters to give them land on long lease, because they were unhappy. Why? Zamindar saw day by day the power of planters increasing. Because of the increasing power of the planters. And they were also forced to give them land on long lease. Now students, I am reading this paragraph. The indigo peasants also imagined that the British government would support them in their struggle against the planters. Indigo peasants, cultivators. Now they imagined that British government also supported to them in their struggle. After the revolt of 1857, the British government was particularly worried about the possibility of another popular rebellion, so that peasants imagined that British government would support them because of worry, because they were worried not to happen another popular rebellion like revolt of 1857. When the news spread of a simmering revolt, here simmering underline, simmering means cause. Now news spread out in many indigo districts. Now see this paragraph. The lieutenant governor toured the region in the winter of 1859. Lieutenant governor, now he visited the region, the area in winter season in the year 1859 because of his visiting. The riots saw the tour as a sign of government sympathy for their plight. Plight means here difficult situation. So peasants, cultivators saw that lieutenant governor, he was visiting. So that was the sign of government sympathy for their condition, for their plight. When in Barsat, the magistrate Ashley Eden, we can say the underline name Ashley Eden, the magistrate issued A note is stating. Stating means showing. We can say the declaring. Now he declared his by the notice he said that what? Riot would not be compelled. Compelled here, forced. Riot, peasants, cultivators would not be forced to accept indigo contracts. Now, as per the notice. Now, word went around. This one. Royals would not be compelled to accept indigo contracts. Word, this notice now circulated, spread out. Word went around that Queen Victoria, as well as because of this notice, the cultivators understood that what Queen Victoria had declared that Queen Victoria she declared that what indigo need not be sown, no need to, okay, no need to cultivate indigo. The cultivators, riots, peasants understood like this. Eden was trying to placate, underline, placate. Placate means to calm, to satisfy, to control the situation. He was controlling the situation by above that was a notice. The peasants and control an explosive situation. He was trying to control peasants as well as he was trying to control situation. But his action was read as a support. But people, cultivators, peasants, riots felt that no, that was a support for the rebellion. Now students, remaining paragraph we will read in next clip.